The investors hear about the disruption on the project, you know.
So them are gonna take it from him.
Yeah, man. Them still all give him the full time.
Even with what really going?
Yeah, man. Remember, you know, him name good. So, them all cut him some slack on this, man.
So tell me something. How much days left?
It's about 5 days, you know. But I don't hear nothing from him yet.
So me have to go wait 5 days then.
I am willing to get this. Him now can go with that for 5 days. So I'm going to write your advance check. So you can start as soon as he's out.
That sounds like a good plan. Right now, we have a team ready to go.
That is great, man. This will look good on your resume. Yeah? These are actually low-income houses that Carlton wanted to build for the other side.
Wow. So good. So like I really need to get the media involved. Yeah, 100%. Trevor Sullivan. No. Mr. Trevor Sullivan. Building. Secret partner? Yeah, I mean silent partner. Yeah, and you wouldn't believe who it is.
What have you done, Stephanie?
I've done what you've been too scared to do, Sandra.
I don't want to hurt him. I love him.
You're so weak and pathetic. I swear to God, if we weren't in the same body, I would kill you.
You've been in control for a week and already you're planning with this imbecile to take over Carlton's projects? What's wrong with you, Stephanie?
Well, secret or silent, I don't think I want to know.
Yeah, it's better you don't. Trust me.
So Trevor, you see I can finish this for much lower than what Carlton they're going to do it for.
Yes.
Make sure now, because that means we can both benefit handsomely from this. Just don't drop the ball in him.
Don't worry yourself, man. All you have to do, as soon as you give me the green light, we will just get on the work immediately. Okay?
Out of curiosity, why you want to take this project so bad from Carlton?
That conversation, my friend, is for another day. Just call it payback.
You know what? That sounds personal. None of my business.
No, it's all business, never personal.
Well, Mr. Sullivan, looking forward to doing business with you, and I hope it is fruitful for both of us.
Yes, right, make sure of that.
Well done.
Okay, alright.
Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, gonna make an ugly scene. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm